Oh, my and Ava are hanging out with me. You can see Ava over there hiding. Well, just hanging out over there. So I did tongue oiled the cake stand, and it looks great, really nice. So that was tongue oil. It's not dry yet, but it'll dry pretty fast. I put a really thin coat on. So then I used tongue oil on the dolomite, the really white dolomite, which is very close to marble. And it did yellow the sides, which I guess is not a surprise because it is kind of yellowy. And it even picked up some of the green from my rag, came off on the stone. So it's not the end of the world, but it's probably not what I'm going to do in the future. I'll probably need to switch to either a normal stone sealer or maybe an acrylic resin, like a floor finish. But the problem with that is the stone, the stone should be like 55 degrees, and I don't have this heated all the time, so it isn't. So then I pulled up a piece of granite and pulled out the linseed oil and put linseed oil on this piece of granite. And it's already got some cream in it, so I think the linseed oil is fine for this. The granites, I think you're going to get away with linseed oil. And you might ask, well, why are you testing all this? Because I've done some projects where I'm combining wood and stone, and my go-to is linseed oil for the wood. So I would like to just go over the whole thing, the stone included, after it's in place and everything, and do everything. So that's one of the reasons I'm doing some testing, and I'm just curious too. But it did not. Oh, and then I took linseed oil and put a little bit on this corner here on top, and I don't really see a difference. So it's really the edge that and even this edge doesn't look that bad. But that's one of the things to be aware of, is it might yellow a little bit because of the oils being orange, or not orange, but goldish. But it still should be sealed, and it should have a slight matte finish to it. You're not seeing the reflection as much. And that's true with this too. I'm pretty sure once this dries, you might see you're going to see a little texture, bottom line. It's not going to be like a polished finish. So oils on stone. There's other oils too. I've seen walnut oil plus wax was a recommended finish, a green finish for countertops. So there's other oils people can explore. And this is just testing some tongue oil and linseed oil because that's what I mainly have handy.